It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Subella here once again. This is the packaging as usual, just a drawstring bag with everything inside. So I did get the goodie bag along with the wig, which we're gonna get into a few. I got the elastic headband, a pair of wig caps, some brushes, also got a press-on set and a pair of lashes. Now this is today's gorgeous wig. This is literally the first time I'm getting a braided wig that has this structure and it's so flawlessly done. It's basically a 13x6 HD lace front braided style wig. It's of a curly texture. It's that boho braided knotless vibe, and I am here for it. So in the back it's completely just curly hair and the lace portion is braided up completely. I love. It's done so flawlessly and the cap construction is really nice. I love that. It's a drawstring wig, so you could go ahead and even wear this wig glueless if you wish, because it's gonna be super secure in your head. As you can see, it even has combs and an adjustable elastic band for more security. The knots are bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked. It is nicely customized. Okay, look at that. It's flat, it's giving scalp. The hair feels really nice and soft, by the way. I didn't get that much shedding. It's very minimal. They did have some bits in the front that you could use for baby hair. I love how minimally they did that. It's not too loud. It's very nice and, you know, very toned down, and I love that. You don't even have to finesse them if you don't want to. You could leave them just as is and it comes off even more natural and realistic. I really do love that. And if you really don't want no hair in the front, you could just pull it to the back. But I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring in the back here, which is super easy. It had the two knobs, so I took the larger knob and pull it all the way down to adjust it to how tight I wanted it to be, and I use a smaller knob to kind of just lock that in place, and whatever is left over from the string, I tuck it beneath the cap. It's as easy as that. I show you guys this all the time, and this makes the wig super secure. All right, as you can see, I'm giving you guys a little shake test there. The lace is giving scalp. You saw how excited I was, but I decided that today I wanted to do a glue install because I want to wear this wig for a couple days straight. It is too flawless. This is too pretty. But as I said, you could go ahead, just cut away the excess lace, and you could just go ahead and rock this glueless. You could even just use melting spray if you don't want to use glue. It is totally up to you. This wig right here is super versatile, and I love that. You see, I was coming up close to the camera to show you how undetectable that lace is as well. Super nice and just realistic looking. Just took my time to go ahead and cut away the excess. You could use the blue tapes or any lace tape to just tape the sideburns down if you want to do glueless. But yeah, I did fast forward right here and I already applied my glue, so that's why you see me pressing in the hairline with my comb. But yeah, I absolutely love this wig. It's so flawless. The color too, I love the chocolate brown. It's definitely giving fall and winter. So stunning. You could go ahead and style this in a bunch of different ways. So this portion, I just gave you guys a bunch of different styles that I would do this in. I had to do my half up half though, and I left two pieces in the front, and I'm gonna do like a low ponytail or bun rather in the back there. So easy, so to the point. This is very beginner friendly, and that's all it is to it.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming. Dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath.
Then I went ahead and just left the entire like hair down. That's the look too. Super effortless. You don't have to do nothing. Rock it just as is. Super gorgeous. I then went in and I did like two little buns. This is giving more of a funky, upbeat vibe. You know, you go into a party, a concert. This look definitely will eat. So yeah, that was fun.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do,
And then for variety, I just pretty much unravel the buns, and that's a look too. So you could definitely go ahead and explore different styles with this. It's completely up to you. Subella did their big one on the construction of this wig. It's, as I said, it's different for me. It's the first time getting a 13x6 wig where just the lace portion is braided up, and it's beautifully done, super flawless. I linked it down below if you guys want to go ahead and get this for yourself, or you want to gift somebody. It's the season for giving, and this would make a stunning gift. I linked everything down below, all the necessary information. If there are any discount code, is down below. Check it out. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.